Okay, hey everybody, we just got this roller blind here. I want to show you how to use this. Easy, no drill installation. So it's going to be a blackout roller blind. We got a white color here. It does come with this right here to keep the blind closed. So you want to remove this after the blind is installed. But this is a very simple process. Let's see what we have. So we have these end caps here. We're going to push these pieces in on the end of the blind. All right, so there's one piece on that side, and you can do it on whatever side you want. All right, and you can see right here, there's a little screw mechanism here that adjusts for tightness. So once we get it up in the window, we'll be able to adjust the tightness and get it secure. Also, the chain is over here on the side. They have an end piece right here we'll put on in a minute. And once we get it installed, this is to go on the bottom of the chain right here. And also, if you want to, you can also use a drill if you want to, and you can drill this little piece into the side of the window, but that's optional either way. So let's see what we can do here with this. You get a little spring mechanism, spring tension right here. You can see how it's kind of popping in and out. So we're just going to adjust that tightness right there. Hopefully it'll be easy to do. So what we need to do here, this window gets a lot of direct sunlight in the morning, makes this room very hot. So this shade hopefully is going to help us to black out that sunshine coming in, help make this room nice and cooler and more comfortable, okay? What you gotta do is just screw that piece right there for the desired tension. So we want to just make sure that the shade stays up there, obviously, when we're pulling it up and down, but I can feel it right now. It feels pretty secure, so this is really great. So with the traditional blinds that we've had in the past, you know, you have all these little metal brackets up here, and you got to screw into the headboards of the window, and so this is just a lot easier dealing with this. So just kind of pulling on it right here. I mean, that feels pretty solid. I'll be honest, I'm pulling on it pretty hard here, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this piece, which is keeping it on here for us. All right, very good. And we're going to go ahead and get this apart right here on the side. This is the chain on the side. Dropping down. Let's see, here's a little piece right here that goes on the bottom of the chain. Take a look at that. Little metal handle at the bottom of it. So all you do is you just pull that apart, stick the chain right there. So let's take a look at it. All right, easy enough right there. So the handle's on the bottom of the chain right there. So it's going to hold it down. And again, this little piece here is optional if we want to use that or not. We'll have to decide on whether or not we want to do that. Let's see about pulling it down now. Simple process. So just be sure you look at the the recommended sizes here. You may have, some people may end up with a little bit larger gap than others on the side, but I think we're going to be fine with this. And of course we have the curtains on the top as needed. So between this blackout shade here, the new blackout shade, and the curtains, we should be able to keep the sun out and keep it plenty dark in here as needed. Go ahead and pull it back up. It's just going right back up. And then right here, of course, is a couple of, drywall inserts here. If you want to use this, I think maybe, obviously if you have, children in the house for safety reasons and you don't want this cord available, that'd be up for you. But we may just pull this off of here. There you go. So we're just going to pull this off of here. We probably won't use that at our house. But you can see right here, we're ready to go. A nice, easy install. shade. If you're looking for a roller blind for your house, you may want to take a look at this one right here. We're excited about having this, and I think it's going to make it a lot cooler in this room, and it's going to serve our purposes quite nicely.